So hello everyone. Today we are going to start the JavaScript programming language. So basically, I have chosen JavaScript as because it is also just like familiar to the Java, but that's not the hard part. It is basically you can say we are building the website by using the Java. Okay, all the you can say the operations or the functionality is done by the Java. So let's see how we will do the thing. Okay. Write the first one. So first we will start from our consider variable. Okay. And if you don't know what is variable, so no need to worry. I will explain this topic in easy. So what is variable? Variable you can say it is a part of where we can use your information. Okay, here basically we used to sugar information. So what does this mean? This means that suppose you want to write your name. So let name is equal to here suppose you want to write your name. So this is the one variable you can. This is a variable. Now why I have written this inside the inverted. Okay. Basically this is a part of a string. Okay. And string. String you can say it is basically the paragraph. And then there is spelling mistake, just leave it. So this is the name. Now, only if we write a name, we will not get the thing. Okay, so we want to print the thing. So for printing the name. Okay, what we will use? We will use the console.log. Okay, here we will write the name. And we will get the thing. So if we will get the name, we have to store it. Okay, it's a very simple way. Okay. Or what we can do in variable, suppose we want to store your suppose age. Suppose we want to write your roll number. Okay. So you can say this is basically the information you have stored. Because the information, and now we want to print the thing. So how will print? Without your console.log. So in this way, you can get your thing. So let's see. So let's see the output. So you can see here, it says my name is Torita, ABCs and roll number. So in this way, we will take the information. Now, the main thing, that why we are learning the Java. So as I told earlier, that for building any website, okay, or any app, or any web service, where basically dealing about the database, okay, or you can say about the micro services, okay. So at that time we need this language, okay, and we get the update that is our React. React basically does what? That basically do for front end. Okay, so front end basically what? Front end basically the interface that we see. Next, means the things that we see that is the web. Okay, and also we use in our, you can say, Express. Express is what? That is the backend. So that we don't see. It is the logic behind. Okay, so this is all about the, you can say, to use the now. So suppose these are the variables access. Now suppose you want to store anything, you can store. Suppose okay, one more. There is one thing is font and fonts and left and back. These are the variables that we use to declare the variable. Now the question will be that when you use this thing. So for permanent value, we use the font. Okay, means we use the font same is value two. But in that case we use the font. Okay, now when we use the left, so basically we use the left when we just assume the thing want to update it in future. If we want to update the thing in future, at that stage we use left. And what is that? Basically it is not recommended to use because it changes the value when you declare things with different things. Okay, so these are the theory part. If you don't understand a thing, no need to worry. I will explain each and every topic. Just keep working. So first I will say about the form. Suppose I am writing form. See, I am writing here. Suppose name is equal to. Okay, I am writing my friend name here. Okay. Now suppose if I want to again declare the name variable. Right here I am writing here. Okay. So it will give me the error. You can see here it is becoming the red here. So why this? What is saying that we cannot redeclare the blocks. Means it's saying that we cannot redeclare the thing. Okay, from this point of view, you can understand that we can't change the name again as because we have written here the variable that is the font. Okay. So this is all about the font. Okay. So now suppose I want to change the name. It will change the name. Okay. Now this is all about the font. Now what is the left? Suppose I am writing here left name is equal to so suppose I am writing here name. Suppose I am writing the total. Okay, writing my friend's name. Suppose I am writing here again left name is equal to okay. So it's basically giving me error. Why it is giving error? Because we cannot declare the things. So what does this mean? Is the constant weight is same? Absolutely no. So how you will use this thing? Just see. What you will do. Basically, we write the name and we don't need to declare the thing. Suppose we want to take the name from the user, so at that case you can use the name. But if you write here, suppose you are writing, for example, suppose you are writing here const and name and doing this. So this will give the error because const always needs a value, whereas late doesn't need the value. It will take the value in future also. Okay, so suppose I'm writing here name. I have just declared the name. I haven't written the name part. Now, if I remember the name, I will write here name, and then I will write here the name. Okay, in this way, basically the const and late we use. Okay, let's suppose I want to. Okay, okay. Now, this is all about the late and const. Now, we will see about the verb. So, verb part is what? Let's see. Verb name. Let's see what the name. Okay. Okay. Again, suppose I'm writing here verb name. Okay. So here you can see there is no error is given. I have declared both the name. So what do we think? What will be our output? Finish will be output or bottom will be output? So let's see. It will be or not. So you can see here Pratham is coming. So basically var does what? Var basically override the thing. var से क्या हुआ बेसिकली जो नेम था सुनील वो क्या हुआ ओवरराइट हो गया प्रथम के नाम से प्रथम डिक्लेयर हो गया so basically we avoid the use of var that's why I'm saying that we will avoid the use of var okay so for today up to this in the next video we will see about the data type in Java so keep learning and keep exploring thanks for watching